Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I'm so excited to share with you this amazing sugar bread recipe. It's so soft and it tastes good. I know it's something you would love to try. Let's get started. Into a bowl, I went in with some hard flour or bread flour, okay? I always ensure to sift my flour so I get to trap any foreign materials that may come with it, and it makes working with the flour so easy as well. Yes, I then went in with some sugar. I introduced my nutmeg, yeast, and also my margarine. You can use butter if you prefer that, okay? Then I went in with my milk and water. Yes, all the measurements will be in the description, so try to read the description to get all the measurements right. With my hand mixer, I went in to bring this to form a dough, okay? If you have a stand mixer, you can use it. If you do not have any of these, then try to use your hands, okay? I do not want to stress the hand mixer so much, so after forming the dough for some time, I took it out of this and I transferred this onto my working surface where I went ahead to knead it for some minutes, okay? If you are just using your hands, then you need this for about 45 minutes. It's very important to knead this, okay? You don't have to be lazy about the kneading. It's important. Now let's cover this and leave it to double up. Yes, so this is what we have right here, and I'm just going ahead to punch some air out, okay? Yes, I'm transferring this onto the work surface again where I'm going to pat it, then I'll roll this to my desired shapes and sizes. If today is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, okay? So you do not miss out on any video I'll post in the future. Click on the bell notification icon so you get notified when next I upload a new video. Okay? Yes, it's so important to click on that bell icon. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you so much for always coming back to support this amazing community. Do not forget to also share your thoughts in the comments, and then I would see you soon on the other side. All right, now let's leave this also to double up. Okay, yes, you cover this to double up. Now I want to have those round ones. Yes, so I'm just trying to do it, and let's get into it. So out of our measurements, this is what we have, okay? So we'll cover this and allow it to double or proof, okay? And we want to just achieve something like this. And you can put this in your oven and bake, okay? Everything will be in the description. So make sure to read the description to get everything you would need to bake this. Look at this beauty, okay? Just allow it to cool down and you can serve it. It's so soft and it is good. Just go with the measurement in the description and you will love it. Let me know how it goes after you try this, okay? And then don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe if you haven't done that yet, okay? I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe.